There it is. Definitely a fighter.
The markings are resolving. A red star.
It's the La-7. Unbelievable.
The damage is unmistakable. Barnacles now fill the jagged bullet holes, evidence of the intense aerial combat.
Got movement. Tension increasing on line 3.
Acknowledged. Ease the hydraulics up slowly. We need to clear the seabed.
There she is. We finally brought her up. Incredible.
Looks stable. Corrosion doesn't look as bad as we thought near the wing spar.
Copy that. Keep the tension steady. Watch the starboard side for structural integrity.
Hold it steady. Lowering now. Confirmed set. All clear to release tension.
Start securing the forward straps.
All right, hold steady. Easy now, keep it centered on the cribbing. Coming down slow, watch the starboard side.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now, watch your clearance on the right.
That propeller blade is completely bent out of shape.
The cockpit structure also needs significant reinforcement before we can move it.
All right, give it everything you've got. It's moving slowly. Lots of rust coming down. Crane engaged, taking the weight now.
The salt deposits have crystallized inside the crankcase vents.
Yes, and the green oxidation on the copper lines confirms saltwater immersion.
All right, clear for final extraction. Stand by to lift. Confirmed. Ready on my mark. Lifting in 3, 2, 1. Keep the heat steady right there. Pressure's up. It's fighting us. Almost there. Okay, easy now. Tilt it up. Clear on this side.
Fuselage section 42 shows extensive decay.
Update the condition report immediately. Noted. I am also seeing thermal stress fractures on the engine mounts.
Under ultraviolet black light illumination, hidden cracks in this 1944
All right, move down 2 rivets. Ready on the mark. Okay, ready. Almost there, watch the alignment pin. Got it. Set it down, it's in.
Feels good, nice and smooth.
Agreed. The resistance is minimal. It should pass inspection.
Hold it steady on your end. Locked in, ready for the next one. Setting the forward Cleco now.
We're examining the piston from the Ash 82FN. The rings are seized due to severe oxidation, and we see significant scoring on the skirt surface.
A valve grinding machine precisely laps the valve face against its seat. The valve spins against the seat while grinding compound creates the perfect seal.
Bring it down 5 millimeters.
Coming down slowly.
Watch the rear bearing. Alignment is good.
Okay, easy now. Left side clear?
Clear. Bring it down.
And seated. Confirmed.
Using an HVLP spray gun, the technician maintains consistent distance and speed, overlapping each pass by 50% to ensure even coverage.
Applied in multiple thin layers, the clear coat builds depth and gloss. This glass-like layer protects the finish and creates a perfectly smooth surface.
All right, keep it coming slow.
Alignment pin engaged on the bottom left.
Looks like we're home. Verify the bolts.
Control stick, full and free movement verified. Rudder pedals checked. Throttle response normal, idle to full power. Switches and trim operational.
The gear retracts smoothly, and now extending to the full down position. The mechanical locks engage, verifying the system restoration.